How to share Google Meet screen on laptop with audio and video. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Google Meet with audio and video on a laptop. For that, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open any web browser on a device, and in the search bar, you need to type meet.google.com. Once you type in this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Google Meet. Here, join any existing meeting or start a new meeting. For that, you need to click on this new meeting button right here, and from here you can click on start an instant meeting. Once doing that, you will join the meeting. Here, click on this microphone to unmute if it is muted. Also click on this video icon if it is turned off. By clicking on it, it will turn on. Now after doing that, in this bottom right corner screen, you will find this present now button. It is indicated by an arrow facing upwards. You need to tap on this option, and once doing that, this pop-up window will appear. Here you will find 3 different options. You need to choose what you want to share. If you select this entire screen, it will share everything on your screen. And if you choose this window, it will share a specific application window. Or if you want to select this Chrome tab, it will share a specific Chrome tab. This one is the best for sharing video and audio. For that, first of all, you need to open any new tab and here type in the website name which you would like to share. Now come back to the previous page and here you need to tap on this to select it. Once selected, at the bottom you will see also share tab audio. Make sure the button at the right side is toggled on. Now once doing that, you can click on this share button. Now once you do that, you will be able to share your Chrome screen. You can see you have successfully shared the specific Chrome tab on your laptop. And once you have selected the tab, make sure the audio and video option are turned on at the bottom. Now once after doing that, if you want to stop the sharing, you can click on this arrow facing upward button right at the bottom, or you may also click on this stop sharing button at the top. Once doing that, it will stop sharing your screen. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully share your screen along with your audio and video in Google Meet. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.